Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Our Technical Buzz. Today in this video how to install or share printer in macOS. Go to System Preferences. Let's double click on printers or scanners. No printer is currently installed in my macOS. First of all I will install the printer in my Mac. Click on plus sign. These are all network printers, searching ng in my Mac OS. I am installing HP Ink Tank 410 printer. Click on Add. Printer is installing in progress. Printer installed successfully. Close printers or scanners console, then go to System Preferences again. Click on Sharing. Select Printer Sharing. Click HP Ink Tank Printer. Printer is shared with everyone, can print writes. If we do not give any user access to the share printer in the network environment, then we will click on the plus sign and add that user and will give no access right. If you want Rohit user cannot print on this printer, select Rohit user or click Select. Click on Cancel. So in this video you will learn how to install network printer on Mac OS and how do you share it. Thanks for watching this video. And please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.